Hey, Top Gun Options traders, Matt Buckley, call sign Wiz, primary model portfolio manager here at TGO, and the market melt up continues after a little bit of a pullback yesterday, mainly on somewhat decent news, I guess you can say, out of retail sales. Retail sales up about point 0.3 or 0.8%. Eh, but still, folks, it's an anemic recovery, and it just really doesn't it just really doesn't signify anything, in my opinion. When you look at everything that's going on in the world strategically, from China exports falling to Japan's GDP just simply imploding to our market, I'm just not a believer in what's going on in the market. But again, at Top Gun Options, we don't fight the tape, so we're ready for any eventuality. So take a look at the SPX, and we've talked about this in a couple recent market intel briefs. The 1400 level is that psychologically important level. We hold 1400, peace, love, harmony. We break the 1400 level to the downside, look out below. That's kind of the mindset of the market right now. So, and what's been going on in for all the chartists out there, this is channeling up. This is a bullish channel or whatever they call it, but it hasn't gotten to its apex yet, right? So, and we're just seeing it living above 1400 for a while. Last time we saw that, it came back down beginning of May. Last time we saw that, end of March and a little bit of April, and it came back down. So 1400 is a big psychological barrier here for the S&P. I don't think we're going to hold it. I think we're going to go lower, and we have a lot of positions in our model portfolio that reflect that. Some volatility positions, some oil positions, gold positions, silver positions. We have a lot of hedges on right now that are acting like bilge pumps that are ready for any little pullback here. Because, as you know, second quarter earnings season just kind of went with a whimper there. Uh, and coming in the third quarter earnings, fourth quarter earnings, it's just not going to be stellar. All the world, Apple's slowly melting up, or actually not even melting up. It's kind of rocketing up on news of the iPhone, but that's not for a couple months here, folks. So there's no good news or no incentives on the horizon to keep this market simply doing what it's doing. The rest of the week's going to have some interesting events. Tomorrow, on Wednesday, we're going to have July CPI. That's going to be an interesting report. Thursday, weekly jobless claims. Now, weekly jobless claims have almost turned into market moving events like the monthly jobless claims. That's about how important that they've become. And also on Thursday, we get housing starts, but we also get the Philly Fed survey. Philly Fed survey should be interesting because it shows, manufacturing activity in the Mid-Atlantic states, and that'll be an interesting indication of what's going on manufacturing in the Mideast states there. Also on Thursday, something I want you to take a look at. That's, even though retail sales were up today, I think Thursday's really going to be the bellwether of whether or not that retail sales number is correct. Why? Because we have Walmart, Gap, Dollar Tree, and Sears reporting earnings on Thursday. That's a big retail day, and that's really going to let us know the health of the consumer, and whether or not this all this recent somewhat good news every once in a while is to be believed. And then obviously on Friday we have University of Michigan's consumer sentiment. So you can go to forexfactory.com and click on their calendar to take a look at all that stuff. So again, we're having a porridge market, not too hot, not too cold, but again at Top Gun Options we're always hedged to take advantage of any one of these days. On a day like today, you should be seeing greens, light greens, some pinks, and some reds, and that's exactly what we're seeing, and that's what we like to see here at Top Gun Options. So happy hunting, make sure you hedge, and I'll see you for tomorrow's market intel brief.